Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Yeah. So, Rupesh,
Can you
can
hear me?
hello, Rupesh.
Hello.
Yeah, go
Hey,
ahead,
hi,
sir.
Rupesh. Can you hear me? Rupesh, can you hear me?
Yes. Hi. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. So, Rupesh, can you briefly tell me your experience, technologies that you have worked on, and the roles that you have played?
Okay. I have worked for 10 years of experience in software field. Uh, I have done my graduation in 2006 and from 2008 to 2019 I am continuously working as a Java developer. So far, I have played the role of software engineer, senior software engineer, and technical architect and team lead. Technology wise, I have worked on Java, which had subparts like JDBC, multi-threading, and Java 8. Server side, I have worked on JSP and J2E frameworks like struts 1 and struts 2, then Spring MVC, ORM tools like JPA2 and Hibernate 3 and 5. Servers I have used so far JBoss, Web, Logic, and Apache Tomcat. If we go further for database side, I have worked on different vendors like MySQL, SQL Server, and Postgres, Oracle. And after this, if we talk about deploying our products on customer system, there I have worked on operating systems like Windows servers 2012 and nowadays Windows 10, Red Hat, Enterprise Linux, and Ubuntu 14 and 16. In my third project in my resume, that is Virtual Docs, there my responsibility was to configure the VM on removehosting.com. There I was deciding the RAM size and hard disk size, and we were deploying our applications on cloud server. Nowadays, in 2000, after 2018, we have Amazon Web Services. They are very renowned cloud provider now that I have used that. I have used for one POC project, Google Cloud. There we used Spring microservices and Spring Boot. So I think that's what. Yeah.
So how about Node.js? How about Node.js? Have you worked with Node.js?
No. If we talk about JavaScript frameworks on client side, that means browser side, I have not worked on Node.js framework, but I have worked on Easy UI framework and Dozo framework, and I have done one POC, one Angular JS 5.
Okay. Okay. All right. So in Spring Boot, what is a Java config? Spring Java config.
A Spring Java config is there to decide the configurations of your Spring Boot there. There is one annotation there at the rate of Spring Boot that will tell a Spring framework that this class should be used to find the main method first and start the application with this class. That's it.
Okay. Okay. So let's see that you want to run your Spring Boot application on a custom port, not on the default port.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, for that you have there is a property files file for that, application dot properties, which have key value pair as server port. I think the name of the key is there. Server port is equal to, you can provide your configured port there.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So
There itself you can provide for your RESTful service names also. Service name equal to and then your name.
okay. So in a RESTful web service,
Mm-hmm.
what is the difference between a put and a post protocol? Put method, basically.
Yes. Put and post. Okay. We have four methods there. most popular methods there. CRUD to perform their CRUD operation, we have create, that goes to create, then we have retrieve, get, then we have update. Then for that we have method put, that is provided from the HTTP standard API, right? Then we have put method there. Then we have delete. Post can take more data there. Then put.
What do you mean by more data?
More data, that means if your form is so long, like you are entering their address and education, 3-4 pages forms are there, then in that case use post method.
Okay. Any other difference between put and post that you can think of?
Difference would be return type. Create will return put and delete will return 204, nothing to return there. 200 will be returned by, I think, post. Delete status, okay. Create, update. I think there would be one more difference in their HTTP status code.
Okay. So in Spring Boot, what are the various scopes of entity beans?
Scopes.
Yeah, scopes of entity beans.
Singleton. That is not. I don't know about the Spring Boot, but I know about Spring. They
That's fine.
they have it since Spring 2 actually. At that time they used to call it as there was a beans tag. Inside that they have bean tag. Bean tag has attributes like ID, name and scope. Earlier they named this as a scope prototype, singleton, true or false, but now they have changed it to scope. Now they call it either singleton or three more are there, that is related to our JSP servlet kind of scopes, request, session and context.
Okay.
Three are there. Request, session and context and singleton.
Okay. So, all right. So, on the AWS side, what is your experience? Cloud, AWS cloud.
AWS not a very new thing. It's the same thing with just much popular thing here. I have done the same thing on remove hosting. Also, I am doing the same thing on AWS also. They will just provide you everything on browser, that through the browser you can restart that and pause that and stop that. Through the browser you can pre-configured checks boxes there. You need MySQL, MVN, Maven, Java, pre-built it or not. If you don't check that boxes, then show the putty you log into. If you have Linux system, then they will provide you PM file, right? That is for private key, public key, care combination. Then you use that to get to their server, and then it's the same thing. Apt-get install Java, MySQL, and then add that Maven, configure each thing there, then run it. No difference after that.
Okay. Have you used any deployment pipelines like Jenkins?
Jenkins, yes, we did it.
Okay. Have you worked with any deployment strategy like blue-green?
Blue-green? No.
Hmm?
No.
Okay. Okay. How about auto scaling? Have you worked with any auto scaling kind of concepts?
Auto scaling, no.
Okay. All right. Okay, fine. Thank you, Rupesh. I think I am done. I will give my feedback and somebody from Pete will get back to you.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Rupesh. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Our Rikitar will get back to you.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah, thank you.